Hey all, Matt here with Bonsai, and today we're going to have a super quick update video again. I know all I've been giving you is update videos lately and unboxing, and this is going to be the same thing. It's going to be an update and unboxing video. But with that being said, we have great things to look at. I just saw something really cool that I'm excited to show you anyway. So let's get to it. So to start out here, this is my Jacqueline Hiller elm. As we can see, it's starting to bud out very well here, and that's awesome. Really beginning to open up. And then I was looking down low, right in here. Let me see, focus. But if you look super low down in here, sorry, it's not focusing well for me. You can see that there's some nice big buds forming where I don't want them to, but they're forming anyway. So we'll see where it goes. Maybe we'll leave it, maybe we won't. Who knows? I'm just excited to see that it's budding out real good and looking fancy. So let's get over to this next update here. I'm gonna move this little one out of the way. Update on our Dawn Redwood tree in a cans here. Okay, so update on the one that we cold stratified through the fridge. What do we got here? We have one little guy that doesn't look too great. Okay. So that is the one that we cold stratified in the fridge. Now, this is the one that we just cold stratified and let sit in the basement. Oh, there we go. Got that one open now. So, sorry, the cameras are really weird on these. If you look real closely, there's actually 1, 2, and a third little one right down there that just started. So, what did we learn? Apparently it didn't need to be cold stratified because my basement really wasn't that cold. But now I'm going to get you all set up and we will get the box opened up. Alright, so bear with me here. I do not have a tripod with me today. I just have my phone. So, we're just going to open it using the phone. Plus, this is my new phone, so I haven't even gotten a chance to try to use it yet. Yeah. Pop it down, pop it up. Beautiful. All right. Got a few little packing peanuts in here, nothing too crazy. So we get this out here. Let me clean back up my packing peanuts. A little extra piece of styrofoam. Wonderful. And then, now we just gotta get the pot opened up a little bit. So this pot is a really pretty little pot, and I can't wait to show you once I get it unraveled here. Okay, so look at that. That is super nice. It's got some gold flakes. Looks like a gold flake mixed in. I really like the little feet on here. And it's got the nice holes for drainage, plus extra wire holes on here. It would help if I held it in front of the camera. That's filled in all nice. And then again, this is from, get back to the camera, there we are, Tori Salois, ceramic artist at Blue Nose Trading. So check her out. She makes lots of great pots down in Texas, and I really like them. I think that they turn out to be extremely awesome little pots. Unfortunately for this pot, I cannot center it very well on the wheel as well as what Tori could do. So, it looks kind of off balance as I'm spinning it. But, super cool pot. And I have some ideas of what I may put in there. But if that's the case, and I do know what I'm putting in there, it may be a little while. Because I just potted these up over the winter. That could be pretty neat. And then we still get like a nice golden yellow brown color, which I wish, hold on a second here. Okay, let me stop it from shaking. But the color of the pot almost matches perfectly to the color of the little buds before they open up. That one's getting ready to open, so you can see the green starting to break through now. But do you see how it kind of matches up real nicely? Just a thought. Let me know what you think on possibly hooking it up inside an American larch. Maybe. I don't know. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoyed my content, you should hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.